Do you want more exposure for your coaching business, but just don't know how to get more eyeballs on your business or more eyeballs on to what you do? Well, let me share with you like what I got. I got 5 ways on how you can get more exposure for your coaching business. All right. So if my face is new to you in your feed, my name is Alease Michelle, and I am a marketing coach for coaches. And I am also the founder of Coaching Business Simplify. And I help coaches just like you market your coaching business the easiest way possible. All right, so let's get into how to get more exposure for your coaching business. Number one, blog more. I know I can hear you out there. Blog more. You're probably like, I'm not even blogging at all. Let me tell you guys the power of blogging. Blogging, and basically what it is, if you don't know, means like writing a journal online. Like that's the old term. But literally, blogging is content that you would actually have on your website. It's like active content. So quickly, let me just explain to why I like blogging so much. You know, when you build your website, once you put all the content in there, you're done. Like it's done, right? But Google doesn't read it as an active website, right? So once you've published all your stuff, and maybe you don't publish anything else new to it for a very long time, well, Google doesn't see it as an active website. It just becomes a online business card. Well, if you use blogging by dropping new content weekly or every 3 days or however works best for your schedule, then your website is seen as an active website by Google, and you're just producing new content. Now, you might say, I'm not a really strong writer. Well, in the Done For You content inside the Coaching Business Simplify, I provide the content for you so that you can at least have a new blog post on your website every single week. But blogging more is going to allow Google to have your website be seen as an active website. And if you use more SEO terms and those type of things, then you're going to get more traffic and more traffic to your website. So blogging is really important. It's not dead, and you should be using it either through written content, or if you are a video person, YouTuber, something like that, then you can actually embed your YouTube video inside of your blogging platform on your website. So blog more to get more exposure, to give Google more love, and to let Google know that your website is active. Okay. Number 2 is to publish a book. Now, we all have some kind of book inside of us. You probably got a book of notes in your notebook, and you can actually publish that. We'll talk about that in just real quick. But publishing a book is going to give you more exposure, get you more exposure. It's going to open a whole lot more doors. I published my first book when I launched my coaching business, and boy, oh boy, did it open up some doors for me, which helped me get more exposure that I'm going to be talking about in just a few minutes. But back to your notes. You know that you probably have a lot of notes, a lot of things that you've taken down from other things that you've watched or read. You can actually publish that. You can publish that as a book, as your notes from the desk of whatever your name is, coach, whatever. And you can section off your notes into categories, because we all have consumed some great information that other people would like to have that you've actually summarized. So publish those notes into a book, girl, right? And then you can be a published author. Okay. The third thing is speaking engagement. So, like I said, when I published my book, when I first launched my coaching business, it opened up it allowed me to get more speaking opportunities because I had a book. And so when you have a book, people are going to want you to speak in front of their group, as well as share information about your book. And then you can sell your book at the end of that, your speaking opportunity. So it's a way to make more money. The fourth thing is interviews. Again, a published book is going to get you more exposure for speaking. It's also going to get you interviews, right? Even if you have a coaching business. So if you have a podcast out there that you would love to be interviewed on, pitch yourself to them, right? Let them know that you exist so that you can get more interviews. If people ask you to be on their podcast so that they can interview you, say yes. This is going to be the year of yeses to anything that gets you in front of your ideal clients, okay? And then the last thing is social media. I shouldn't even have to be talking about that, because you should be using social media. But social media is going to get you in front of the people and get you more exposure. Do not be the best kept secret, because if you're going to be the best kept secret, no one's going to know you. So use the social media platform that you're the most comfortable on, right? And start posting, showing your face, teaching, letting them know about testimonies that your clients are offering you. This, just spend more time getting more exposure. Allow exposure to be part of your marketing strategy to help you get in front of your ideal clients. All right, guys. So I hope that helps you set your mind right, get your mind right to get more exposure for your coaching business so that you can grow it to be a successful coaching business just like you've always dreamed. All right, guys. Have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.